afternoon. Welcome back to a new day. Today for lunch, I am going to do a grilled chicken Caesar salad with some extra bits. So Kroger had this Caesar salad kit on special that has some Parmesan, chickpeas, heart of palm, and croutons. And then there's a Caesar dressing. So I have a chicken breast seasoned with my homemade everything bagel seasoning. I'm going to put that in the air fryer. This is still frozen. So I'm going to put that in the air fryer oven for 30 minutes on 400. Then to that, I'm going to add some tomatoes. I have some salt and vinegar pumpkin seeds, beets, lemon, some imitation bacon bits, and some cottage cheese. So the only thing I need to do for this is cook my chicken and prep probably just the tomatoes. Everything else is already cut up. So it'll be a really quick, easy lunch. I have found a new crafty, arty thing that I'm going to try. This is out of one of the Disney Color by Number books, which there are a ton of them. And basically, you have your number guide here, and then the picture. And of course, I have all my markers. And I also printed this one. So I've just started over here. Boy, I don't know what I was thinking. Whew, my old lady eyes are like, you've got to be kidding me. Because it is teeny, teeny, teeny. But it should be kind of cool. And some of them, what you see on the print isn't the picture that it reveals when you color it. So they're like a mystery color by number, which is kind of cool. But I just decided to start on something that was a little bit basic, I guess, to start with. And yeah, it's a little tricky to be able, because I printed them 2 to a page in this size. But that's what I'm going to work on a bit today. Hopefully I'll finish this one today. And then I'm about 5 chapters into a new book. So I'm going to do some reading this afternoon too. All right, welcome back for dinner. So for dinner, I am going to have some shrimp, and then I'm going to steam this delicata in the Instant Pot, and I'll have that just in little rings. I'm going to finish the rest of the head of broccoli I started yesterday, and with the broccoli, I'm going to use this Port Salut cheese, which is like a soft cheese. And I have some cocktail sauce for the shrimp and some butter and everything bagel seasoning for the delicata. All right, time to wrap it up for the night. So I'm going to do a fruit and yogurt bowl. I have Harvest Peach yogurt, some blackberries, and some lemon curd. I'm just going to put that together, and that will be my night. So I'll see you tomorrow. I almost forgot to show you. I finished my first color by number of the Disney mystery books, and I've taped off the next one just so I get slightly cleaner lines. But there we go, and I will put a picture on the screen of the reference image. For the first time doing that, I am quite happy with that. So I'm looking forward to doing the next one.